we visited the cruise port in Skagway, Alaska, known as the gateway to the Klondike. It became a hub for prospectors during the gold rush of 1897. The most popular attraction here is the White Pass Railway. The railway was built in 1898 and 1899 to make travel to the Klondike easier. This huge project was a joint effort by the US and Canada. They had crews working from both sides, and they met in the middle, building 110 miles of track. They have a 3-hour excursion that goes to the White Pass summit and back. This is an excursion you have to book through the cruise line because a lot of tour operators in Alaska do so much volume with the cruise lines that they can't undercut them. There are a few hikes and historic things you can explore on your own for free. Right near the port on the right is a creek with some historic buildings and museums from the gold rush era. There are plenty of bars and restaurants in town. We went to Skagway Brewing Company and tried the local beers and some food. We also visited a former brothel, the popular Red Onion Saloon, and tried Alaskan duck farts. It's a layered cocktail made with Kahlua, Bailey's, and Crown Royal. It's pretty tasty. The Arctic Brotherhood Hall was built in 1899 as a fraternal club by gold prospectors. The facade is made from over 8,000 pieces of driftwood. Now the building is used as a visitor center. At the edge of town, you can explore the Gold Rush Cemetery and Reed Falls. They have tours that take you there, or you can just walk it on your own. They also have a few bike rental places in town if you want to explore that way. We walked to the Gold Rush Cemetery in Reed Falls. It's about 4 miles round trip. You walk up State Street and around the bend on 23rd and take the road on the right past the train yard. Then you'll arrive at the Gold Rush Cemetery. There are about 500 graves there. Many are unmarked because they used wooden markers that have deteriorated. They have restrooms here, and it's just a 10-minute walk to get to the waterfalls. It's a nice woodsy pathway. It's not very difficult to get to Reed Falls. Skagway has a lot of interesting places to see. You can't see it all in one day, but we enjoyed all that we did see. Please subscribe for more travel tours, tips, and reviews. Cheers!